Make a great choice today with the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.